Senador Joel Villanueva gustong i-dismiss bilang senador ng ombudsman dahil po daw sa mga kaso na kinakaharap noong 2016 pa. Ayon kay Ombudsman Trimulya, tatawagan o susulatan niya si Senate President Soto para i-dismiss si Villanueva sa pagkasenador. Pakinggan po natin itong pahayag niya ni Ombudsman Secretary Remulla.
Nobody was raising that issue before. Joel Villanueva kept quiet through all the years. Ombudsman Martinez never spoke about it. Di ba parang secret decision siya? Alam niyo ba yun? You should know about it. Nobody knows about it. Lumabas lang siya nung sinabi ko may gagawin ang ombudsman tungkol siya. So, it's a surprise secret decision. Okay?
So it was a secret, sir?
Well, nobody was raising that issue before. Joel Villanueva kept quiet through all the years. Ombudsman Martinez never spoke about it. Di ba parang secret decision siya? Alam niyo ba yun? You should know about it. Nobody knows about it. Well, harassment is not harassment. It's something that everybody thinks to be still valid. That can turn out to be not valid anymore due to a secret decision. Dapat kasi, hindi naman na-publish yan, hindi yan nilabas. Nobody know about it. Kahit sa societies pa, hindi nila alam na. Even dito sa hindi know about it. Hindi nila nilabas. So don't you call that a secret decision?
But sir, what about the people near the ombudsman's office? Siyempre, alam din dapat nila yan, sir.
Exactly. Nobody was raising any issue about this. Hindi ko alam eh. It's a very mysterious decision. Kasi nga, it's a public interest decision. He ran for public office, he was elected senator. So it's a very newsworthy thing. And it's something that is in the public interest.
Kailangan ko ba ng investigation?
I was studying the decision. We're studying everything.
Sir, to be fair, will you still send the letter?
Hindi na. Kasi nga, nagbago na yung premises natin. Nagbago na. Teka, ano na? Thank you. Okay.
Sa pahayag ni Ombudsman Trimulya, sinagot po siya ni dating Ombudsman Martires. Ayon dito kay Martires, Senator Joel was dismissed from the service in a decision issued by Justice Conchita Carpio Morales. He filed a timely motion for reconsideration which in 2019 I granted and I received the decision of Ombudsman Carpio Morales. Corresponding the second cases against Senator Villanueva were dismissed. The matter was granted for lack of evidence because number 1, Senator Villanueva was representative of the Sibak party list and not the Buhay party list who was granted the PDAP funded project. Number 2, the NBI found that the signature on the documents are different from standard signature of Senador Villanueva. So yun, nakabingo na sana si Justice Remulla, pero parang nagiging bato pa dahil sinagot siya dito ni dating Ombudsman Martires. At nung 2019 pa o 2019 na bigyan ng clearance dahil na-dismiss na yung kaso laban kay Senador Joel Villanueva at nabigyan po niya ito ng clearance. So baka hindi alam ito ni Ombudsman Remulla ngayon. Ang problema dito, baka baliktarin niya at ipatupad talaga niya yung kanyang desisyon. Bantayan na lang po natin o abangan po natin mga kababayan kung panindigan niya yung sinasabi niya o babawiin niya. Mukhang baka panindigan niya ito baka lang.